Okay, so in this video we will start with actually showing you how to work with Django shell, and I will give you a pretty much decent understanding of how it works. I am going to show you these things which I am going to do with my Django models which I created in my previous video. You can check that out. So now let's get started with my Django shell. I will go to python space manage.py space shell. So let it open. So now my shell is working. I will now import my models from first app dot models import my model which was employee. So it is imported. Now when I have to create an instance of employee, I can do this by simply using Python thing like that, employee class with this parenthesis and providing name and providing the parameters inside it like this: emp name equals to James, phone equals to 245 anything, and designation equals to manager. Yeah, that would be good. Employee, oh sorry, spelling mistake, designation. Now I will save this object. So this my object has been saved. So when I actually have to fetch all these objects, then I have to do something like this: class name dot objects dot all. This actually shows me all the objects. Or for example, if I want to fetch this particular employee, then I can do something like this: e2 equals to employee dot objects dot get. I can fetch it with its particular parameter attribute, like emp name for this object was James, as I have described in the previous video. So James in the str function, and e2 dot emp name e2 dot designation. Now for example, if I want to actually update this particular object, then I will do something like this: e2 dot I want to set its name to emp name to Kale. Okay, so this is done, and I will save this object. So when I actually go to employee.objects.all, you can see that the object has been updated. Now for an instance, if I actually want to delete this particular object, then I can do simply like this: e2.delete. So this deleted my object, and when I actually go to employee.objects.all, this shows me an empty query set. So this is how you can work with CRUD operations. In this video I actually showed you a pretty much decent understanding of how Django models and how to interact through them using Python shell. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching.